Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for SheSave.com, and we are back with another GlossyBox unboxing. I wanted to get this one to you really quickly. This is the June box. It's still available. It's really, really good, and I've got a code to save you money on this. We just also shared the summer limited edition bag, and you're going to want to look at that. It might still be available. That one was awesome as well. But this is, as I said, the GlossyBox June Poolside Paradise Edition box, and it's so good. I've got a coupon code. I believe it makes this box $16. Even without, these boxes normally are right around $20. You can purchase them one time or you can get the subscription, and either way, they're just an awesome deal. We love these boxes. Okay, so on top, what did they have there?
We have 2 packets of collagen peptides.
Okay, actually, I love that. Collagen, Vital Proteins, awesome, awesome brand. And then this is everything inside. We're gonna take a look. They just package these so nice. You can send them as a gift. You can get them for yourself. You can break them up into gifts. But if you love beauty products, you can't go wrong with these boxes. They are just amazing. Lots of full sizes in this one. Okay, so let's start with, let's see. That is
Cleanser.
The Nail Bay Cleanser. That's a full size, and it retails for $18.20. I love that there's so many full sizes in this box. Okay. Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Cleanser. Awesome. And I've mentioned this before. These boxes are such a great way to find new products. Let's see. This is, oh, I'm never going to be able to pronounce that. It's a moisture conditioner. Is that what that is?
Yes.
Full size. It retails for $18. And I wish I could pronounce that, but I'm not even going to try. I will try. Never mind. What do you think?
Phytonutrients. I don't really know.
You did better than I did. That actually looks really amazing, though.
And the packaging also, it's like really eco-friendly. You can see it's kind of like that.
Oh,
cardboard. It's not plastic.
Awesome. It says for deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter helps manage dry ends and flyaways. Okay,
So
that
cool.
looks really awesome. We might not be able to pronounce it, but we think it looks pretty cool. So, what else do we have in here? Okay,
I think this is a deodorant, isn't it?
Yes, it's a natural deodorant cream. I was excited to try this one. This is a Deluxe Mini, but that's a great way to try out something like that if you've been wanting to check out the new options for deodorant. That looked really cool to me. Okay.
Then we have, let's see, a face oil.
Yes, this is from, again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but Billy Annie. This is a Deluxe Mini Ageless Concentrate. I have actually found a lot of my favorite skincare products through these boxes. So that's a great way to try them without, let's see what the retail on that would be. $8 for the mini, but it would be $62 if you were to try the full-size product. So it's a great way to check that out. And this one is Do You, the Flawless Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, and that is a full size, and it retails for $36.
Oh, look how pretty it is.
So pretty.
It's awesome.
I always love trying new
Highlighters.
highlighters.
Are
Yes,
so pretty.
I know. So good. Okay, so there's everything that you get in this box. Again, I've got a coupon code for you where you can get this for $16 for your first box. You can cancel these at any time. Honestly, just such great value, and they do such a good job on these boxes. There is a peek at that. Again, this is the June Poolside Paradise Edition from GlossyBox. This is Carrie Lynn and Lauren for SheSave.com.